Today talking about Aerodrome finance. Again, some big updates for you guys here on this one. But before I get into it, take a look in the description below. You guys hop into the Discord. I created a brand new Discord. Again, brand new Discord. Link in the description below to join. Looking to create a community of like-minded investors over there in the Discord. Again, also just please be patient with as far as me building out the Discord, but I am also looking for mods in the Discord. So if you're interested, please send me a DM on Discord if you're interested in becoming a mod. But again, link in the description below for that. Creating a community of like-minded investors holding similar cryptos, etc., etc. But let's get into this. Massive updates, you guys. Extremely bullish updates in my opinion here when we talk about Aerodrome finance. Sitting currently here at 77 cents at the time of this video. We can see the trading volume is up, 47, almost 48%, almost basically 50% over the last 24 hours. 44.5 million in trading volume. 70 cents currently for Aerodrome. A significant pullback here. If we look at the last year, it's down around 2% over the last month, down around 4.3 over the last 7 days, down around 11. So again, if this goes down below 70 cents, I'm looking to DCA at those levels, because you cannot get this type of discount on this type of project, in my opinion, at these levels and not take advantage of it. Again, that's not financial advice. I can only tell you guys what I'm doing. Again, I'm not going to tell you what to do with your own money. But nonetheless, Aerodrome Finance, some big updates to talk about. I just wanted to share this tweet. Aerodrome put this tweet out on Twitter. Official Aerodrome Twitter put this tweet out on Twitter about 2 hours ago. When is Aerodrome integration into Coinbase going live? This is a question that the CFO, Alicia Haas, asked Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong, the CEO and founder of Coinbase. She asked Brian Armstrong, when is Aerodrome integration into Coinbase going live? I'm going to play the little clip for you guys. I don't want to get copyrighted or anything, but let me just play the clip.
When is Aerodrome FI integration into Coinbase going live?
Well, good news. That should start rolling out over the next several weeks. And
so again, I'm not going to play the full clip. You guys should check out this link. I'll put a link to this tweet in the description. You guys can check it out. I mean, I don't know how much more of a bullish news release or just any sort of tweet you could put out for Aerodrome that is not as bullish as that. We know what Coinbase, how connected it is to Aerodrome, right? How we obviously Aerodrome, the leading DEX on base. And you can see here, shout out to Matt Mana on Twitter for this sort of subtweet underneath this one. Big news on the Coinbase integration, bullish for both, boosting market presence and trust. Aerodrome's 18.48 monthly fees could hit 100+ million, with monthly DEX volume potentially soaring towards 100 billion. This could be a catalyst to propel both, right? We know where Aerodrome could go, we know where it probably is going to go, and this is extremely bullish, you guys. We know Coinbase recently launched the Base app, swapping Coinbase wallet for this Base app to simplify Web3 for a broader audience. This is extremely bullish as well. I think if you guys had Coinbase wallet and you updated your apps in your phone, you probably now see the Base app, which 100% coincides to Aerodrome's long-term potential here. Also, shout out to Wagme Alexander, right, Base contributor. He talks about this, follows up this Brian Armstrong tweet, how Coinbase is becoming the everything exchange, and then he tweets, everything trading on Aerodrome plus Base will soon be accessible to millions of traders on Coinbase, and one upgrade Base will add millions of new users to massively increase the TAM of every Base token. If you need help migrating, DM Aerodrome FI. Again, I'll put a link to this tweet in the description below. It's as simple as that. It really truly is as simple as that, you guys. And we're seeing these levels of Aerodrome continue to drop, but the volume continue to remain high. Again, sub 70 cents. I'm looking to DCA into Aerodrome myself. We talk about where Aerodrome could potentially go this cycle at a 22 billion market cap, which is Uniswap's all-time high, which for a variety of different reasons, I think Aerodrome is far superior to Uniswap, and I think Uniswap could potentially go, not extinct, but there's going to be a lot of uses, not a lot of uses for Uniswap in a year from now, in my opinion, especially with this Aerodrome Base integration going on, just everything that is involved with this tweet here. Aerodrome as a $25 price, 33x from here at a 22 billion market cap. So again, just keep that in mind. I do remain pretty bullish on Aerodrome, always have been. If you go back and look at my channel, I've probably made 50+ videos on Aerodrome. I am not new to this project. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Aerodrome currently. Again, sub 70 cents. I'm personally, again, not financial advice, looking at DCA. Hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.